see. I've got some more discs. And each one of these discs have a different kind of instrument on here. Shall I play you a couple of sounds?
Yeah!
Okay, and then you can tell me what sounds.
Okay.
And then that will be it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now these are sounds. Remember, they're not necessarily music.
They're sounds.
Let's listen to the sounds. I have to computer inside here get some new sounds.
Mr. Dishon, I was hoping you'd play us a tune.
Oh dear. Will you settle for a pre-recorded tune?
Sure.
Okay, there's one that I made and I can have the computer play it back after I'm done. Okay. First of all, here's some sounds. Anybody know this one? A partridge. Ready? You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Okay, a little softer. Okay. How about this one? A faster car. How about this one? Faster car. How about way up here? Very good. Okay. How about two? You want to hear Mr. Ed?
Yeah.
Okay. Then I'll play one more song or I'll play a song for Mrs. Ed.
Mr. Dishon is a musician. I think we ought to hear his music.
Let's try Red. That's true. We really didn't cover too much on music. Okay, ready? That's the theme song, isn't it? Where's Mr. Ed? There he is.
Hello, I'm Mr. Ed.
Oh, sorry. That's the theme song.
Hello.
Can't hear it any more of it. Let me do.
Mystery.
How many of you like Christmas songs?
Oh, yeah!
Okay.
What about winter songs?
Let's take this and
Wyatt.
this will take a second. Has everybody enjoyed themselves?
Yeah.
Did you learn something about sounds?
Yes.
Does anybody have any questions?
No. Oh, yeah.
You have a question?
What's that black thing over there? It's a camera.
That's a camera.
Yeah.
That sort of took our picture.
It's taping me too, facing my face against that thing.
Like that.
I'm going to play a song and I'm going to use this sound. Does anybody know what this sound is?
Guitar. Piano.
A piano.
I play it, so I know it's play it too. I'm gonna play a song. Play a song. Can I sit right over there? I know this song, but what's this one? I know it's called, but I know this
That's called Funny Faces. That's a song that Tom knows. But right now, I'm going to... How about this song? See if anybody knows this song. Now this is a song that I played into the synthesizer, and it's going to play it back for you now. Okay? So I did this before, and this is what it's going to sound like now.
Do the whole thing.
Ready?
Yeah.
You can sing.
Updating your back cam. Thank you.
I wanted to stop it, but I didn't get to it. Okay. Thank you very much for coming.
Thank you.
I hope you had a good time.